welcome to the Top Trader South Africa YouTube channel. My name is Nqobile Tembane, and this is a segment called All Things Forex. And today I'm joined by Thapelo. Yeah, thank you very much for driving out and coming to do this interview.
Yeah, thank you guys for having me.
Yeah, no, perfect. Okay, yeah, so what sort of background do you come from?
I won't lie, man, it wasn't really unfortunate. But it was one of those things that at some point you just had to get out and do it yourself.
Yeah.
You know? So it was a good background.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
yeah, but I just got to a point where I was like, you know what, instead on my own, let's do my own thing.
Okay, so in other words, life before trading, what was that
It wasn't
like?
bad. It wasn't bad. It was just go to school,
Yeah.
go to varsity.
Okay.
Everything was okay.
Yeah, and did you finish at varsity?
No, I dropped out.
You dropped out
I dropped
because
because
you
of
saw...
trading.
Yeah.
I dropped out.
Okay, so in terms of saying that the background wasn't as hectic, what was the process of acquiring funds to fund your account?
Well, at first, so what happened was, I dropped out before my parents could actually know that I dropped out.
Oh, okay.
So anything that I was getting from home, that I was using to save up and trying to get money to pay a mentor, someone to teach you how to trade, So yeah, the funds basically wasn't much of a problem, But then I blew a lot of money. I blew a lot of money trying to trade, because at first I was doing it by myself.
Yeah.
I didn't have a mentor, I didn't have anybody.
Yeah.
So it got to a point where my parents were like, you know what, we're cutting you out now.
Mm.
So I remember they gave me a deadline. There was a time when my mom called me, she was like, you know what, December, you're out. I'm no longer gonna give you anything, you're on your own.
Yeah.
So that's when I was like, you know what, because I had a little bit of I was in my final year, So I I did a few certifications in IT. So before I finished my IT diploma, I had like CCNA and all that all those qualifications. So I got a job, fortunately. And then I used all the funds from my job to fund my account. And that's when I also left my job as well for trade.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's how it all came about.
So that transition from dropping out to actually getting into trading and actually working, is it something that you would recommend to someone, or?
Yeah, I would say work first and then get the hang of it, because when I left my job, I thought it was good. And surprisingly, the first month after I left my job, I lost everything. I blew my account, within 2 days. So where was I going to get the money?
Yeah.
And that time I didn't tell anybody at home that I left my job.
Yeah. So what were some of the reasons that you lost the money, like within 2 days?
I would say I didn't put stop losses back then.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just going in, and I was making a lot of money, I won't lie to you, because I was taking risks. Like my friend here takes a lot of risks. Because sometimes as traders you believe that you're not going to put stop losses because the market maker brokers, they stop hand and all that kind of stuff. So that was it for me. But at that time I didn't manage my risks properly, so I ended up losing everything when I had nothing at all. So that was that's what happened.
That's hectic. Yeah. Okay. So how is the beginning of the whole training for you to actually get to this point where you are? What has been very essential to your trading for you to be where you are now?
I say keep on trying, man, because you are gonna blow accounts. Traders be like, no. Some traders laugh at people that blow accounts, and they don't say everybody blows account.
Yeah.
So if you're really passionate about it, go back. You can lose everything today, go back.
Yeah.
If you really want to do it, you're gonna go back.
Yeah.
Like every athlete, you fail. You practice, you fail. You practice, you fail. You're gonna get it right.
Yeah.
So what I can say is, if you blow your account, just go back, evaluate your mistakes, and check where you went wrong. For example, for me, was taking too much tricks and no stop losses. So now I didn't even calculate as to how much I risk per trade in order to make so much. So it got to a point where you're losing, let's say $300. You enter another position in the same direction where you're losing. You're losing $800 now, $2,000. So now you're losing everything.
Yeah.
So that was for me. I wasn't calculating my risk properly.
Yeah. Okay, you speak about risks. So what is risk management? Just a quick definition of that.
I say risk management is knowing how much you wanna lose. Because trading is, you need to know how much you wanna lose. Because you can go in there with the mindset that you're gonna make money.
Yeah.
But what if you don't?
Yeah.
So for example, if you've got $1,000 account per trade, you need to be willing to lose a certain amount. For example, probably you wanna lose $50 per trade. You want to place 4 positions, you want to lose $50 per trade. So when you place that trade, you don't need to worry about that 50, because already you're willing to lose that money. So, and then the reward to that, I would say, Usually, the risk is 3%,
Mm-hmm.
and the reward could be endless because once you reach your take profit, I mean, you take profit, then you can trail it, and then you put stop losses and you start trading it. So the reward is endless, but the risk should be around 3% maximum.
Yeah. Okay, so obviously risk management is something that we hear from a lot of traders, you know. So like, what do you think are some of the misconceptions that people have of risk management that you've maybe heard on the streets, on these forex streets per se?
Honestly, I never heard about risk management.
Yeah.
You know, I never heard about risk management at all.
Yeah.
No one told me about risk management. Anyone can trade. That's what
Yeah.
I can think. Anybody can trade. You can teach a dog to trade. You know, my niece can trade.
Yeah.
But the hardest part about trading is to manage the risk
Okay.
and trading psychology.
Yeah.
You know.
Okay.
So I never heard any misconceptions about risk management. I just never heard it at all.
At all.
You know? Yeah. So that's why you get to lose a lot of money because we're not taught these things.
Mm-hmm.
We taught how to trade. You taught, you know, they'll tell you about these lines and all this, you know. Yeah, but they'll never tell you how to risk it. I mean, how to manage your account.
Yeah.
So that's
Okay, so what is the importance of actually having a mentor? Like, how important is it to one's trading career? Because I've heard some people say they were self-taught. I've heard some people saying they've paid for course.
Well, if you're self-taught, you know that's good. That means you're strong. You know, you got guts. The advantage of having a mentor is basically it's a psychological support. I'd say, you know, mental support, because you can teach everybody how to actually trade and they can get it. You know, but then when they're making a loss, how do they deal with the emotions? So you need a mentor in order for you to know whether to hold the position or to get out and to take your losses.
Yeah.
Because if you don't have any emotional support, like, or understanding, now you make losses, you get out, while the position was just retracing. You know, the trade was just retracing. So yeah, it's basically about mental support.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's great. So I know we spoke and you said that you're currently in the process of building a trading system.
Yeah. We just there's this other software that we're kind of using. So that software allows us now to link client accounts to our main account. So it's basically copy trading.
Okay.
So because we have a signal, a signal service.
Yeah.
So I noticed about signal service. Yes, we send signals. You know, we're making money and all that. But then sometimes the students risk too much. So for instance, let's say we make profit the whole week, and then suddenly you send a signal, and then someone decides to jump in with 0.10 lot size on a $100 account, and then there's a retracement, and it blows the account.
Yeah.
So although the signals were good, but then the management was bad.
Okay.
Because sometimes you can hold positions for 2 weeks on a loss,
Yeah.
and then comes back, then you start trailing out profit and all that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
So this system allows us now, because I mean, signal providing and actually copy trading is one and the same thing, because you're actually telling them what to do. But in this case now, copy trading allows us to link the accounts. So when we're trading, it copies on the client account. So if I place a 0.10 lot size and you've got $100, there's what we call a lot multiplier. So now it reduces the lot size on your account because you've got a smaller account. So now you'll be trading on 0.01.
Okay.
So when we're making profit on a 0.10 scale, you're making profit on a 0.1 scale, 0.01 scale.
Okay. So what is like the whole idea behind it that got you to build this whole system, this trading system?
Basically, people saying, yeah, I made profit now, I made loss now, and then you ask questions like, okay, let me see your account. Just screenshot me, show me how you managed to lose all these things. And then you see the volume is finding someone who's trading on, like I say, 0.10 on a $100 account. I mean, that's ridiculous, right? And open again, maybe like 5 positions or so. Yeah. So that's what I decided. You know what? Yes, I will provide signals for people who actually know how to manage the risk. But for those people who don't actually know how to manage the risks, yeah, we can link the account. And some people don't have time because trading is hard, man. And I wouldn't really encourage anybody to go into it, honestly, because it's very stressful. People say trading is fun, you know, but they say if you're having fun trading, you're not trading. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're not trading because that thing is stressful. You need to be always updated about what's happening in the market. You need to be informed about the news all the time. Like on my phone, I've got Bloomberg on my phone. I watch Bloomberg at home. That's basically the only thing I watch because you need to always know what's going to happen in the market. As long as people may say it's technical analysis only, but fundamentals are very important. And that's what's happening every day.
What was like your first deposit? Because I hear now you speak about the whole thing where you blew a lot of the accounts in the beginning. Yeah, so like what was like the first initial time you actually put money into the market, or you opened an account and funded a live account? Do you remember?
No, I don't really remember, man. But I used to fund small amounts, maybe like $50, you know. And yeah, there was a time I found it extra $20. I'll show you guys screenshots later. I found it $20 and I grew that account to $700 at the end of the month. That was ridiculous.
Yeah.
So that's when I was like, oh, I got this.
You're
like, how do you start from $20 to $700 in 1 month? That's crazy.
Yeah.
And then after that, I went to 2000, and then after that, we blew the whole account. Yeah, but well, I'd say the first good deposit that I've made was about $100 is okay. $100 is okay, but you need patience for that.
You
need patience for that. You can grow it. Give yourself 3 months, no withdrawals. Stick to one lot size the whole 3 months, and then you can actually grow the account comfortably.
Okay. So there's a lot of people out here who are selling forex as a get-rich-quick scheme.
It's not. No, it's not. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, man. It's but you do get rich, not as quick as they say, but you do get rich. Yeah. I remember when I decided to leave my job, I think I traded that account for 2-3 months, and I had made enough. I'd made more than I actually get it every month. So I was like, I can leave my job. I can pay my rent. I can do all that. So you do get rich, but not. I won't really call that rich, but you do get a lot of money in a short period of time. So it's not a get rich scheme, man. It's I'd say it's more like an investment. It's just that you get more returns when you come to trading, And yeah, don't look at buying an EP05 in 1 year. Although you can, although you can. I mean, it just depends on how much you trade as well. Yeah, but you will make enough money to not work for anybody. But it's not a get rich quick scheme.
Yeah. Okay. So how long have you been doing the whole trading thing for?
I think it's my 3rd year now.
The 3rd year.
Yeah, it's my 2nd year full time.
Okay.
Yeah, because I traded when I was working at some point. Yeah, so this is my 2nd year trading full time.
Okay. So do you consider yourself a technical trader, a fundamental trader?
Both.
Okay.
Because fundamental is very important.
Okay.
Yeah, they won't tell you that, but fundamental is very important because the fundamental is the one that controls the technical hand. So, because if Trump says anything right now, the market is gonna move.
Yeah.
That's fundamental.
Yeah.
If there's a bomb in Sudan or something, that's so all of these are affected by fundamentals. Like your forex, forex is affected by the stock movements, the company performances in the US last 100 and all those kind of companies. So it's basically fundamental that's most important. So I can't really say I'm a technical trader or fundamental.
So you got both sides.
You actually have to know.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, no problem. So what is like a painful loss that you can always remember, that you think you'll always remember?
The one I lost, man, when I lost my job.
Yeah.
The first day was around 40 grand.
Yeah.
How much is that? $1,000.
Yeah.
$2,000 close to 50, right?
Yeah.
So that was painful for me because I didn't have money at that time. I thought, I could still have my job. I can pay for a few things, So 2 days, all of it gone. So that was a painful loss for me.
Yeah.
But now I still do lose maybe around 800 and all that kind of stuff. But it's not I don't feel as bad as I used to. That time I didn't really have much.
Okay.
So now at least I can cope with the losses.
Yeah. Okay, no, that's cool. And some of your most memorable moments in the market that you can remember, be like, that trade.
I'd say last week, man.
Okay.
Last weekend, because I trade indexes as well and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, so last week was really good.
Yeah,
last week was really good. Last weekend actually.
Last weekend. Yeah. Okay, the details about
I can't really share yet.
Okay.
It's something that I didn't even share with the team.
Oh, okay.
Only a few of my guys know that.
Yeah,
but I'll share it.
You'll
share
it. Yeah. Okay, and okay, so moving on to, do you have any advice that you might want to give traders at home? Somebody looking to start Forex, or somebody looking to enter the industry, or somebody who's struggling right now?
Yeah, I would say first evaluate the type of trader you are. I'm a swing trader. I like holding positions for a long time, My friend Jay is a scalper. He makes ridiculous trades. And you can't really change a person's style, because it also goes with your personality. I'm really laid back. I don't really want to stress about the market or keep watching the charts or anything like that. So some people actually know, okay, I'm going in. So I'd say first identify the type of person you are, so you will know the type of trading style you need to go to. Because no, people say no, don't scalp. Day trading is not profitable. Swing trading is profitable. It depends on how you trade. You know. So first, you need to identify what kind of trader you are. Whether you want to sit on the computer and watch the charts all the time, or you just want to swing trade. And then secondly, I would say discipline. Yeah, you need a lot of discipline. There's always this thing at the back of your head that talks to you when you're making profit, you know, that says, go in more. You know, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay. So going back to the lifestyle of a trader, living now as a trader, you know, like how has Forex really changed your life, like properly?
The fact that you can be independent, you know, that's one thing that was done for me. The freedom, I like the freedom. My dream actually was to, I want to wake up in the morning. I remember I actually did this for a while and I don't know why I stopped. I was like, you know what, I just want to wake up, go to the gym, go play golf, and then trade.
Yeah.
You know? so first thing I did when I left my job, I'd wake up at 9 o'clock in the morning, I'd go to the gym, me and my friend would go to the gym, and after that we'd trade for a while, and then in the evenings, then we'd go to a driving range, you know, just shoot ball. So for me, it was just like, this is it for me, you know?
Yeah.
So I enjoyed that freedom, that fact that it allowed me to live that, because that's something that I really wanted. So along the way, I don't know what happened, very quickly got busy, you know, caught up, I stopped doing it. But I like the freedom that it gives you.
Yeah.
You know, besides the whole flashing and everything, that I like the fact that you can do anything anytime. If you're making enough money every day, you know, you can just go anyway.
Yeah.
You know? So that's what it's done for me.
Yeah. Okay. And also the South African forex industry at the current moment, the state that it's in right now. Can you just give your thoughts about that?
I'd say it's bad because not because of the scammers or the fact that people think the forex itself is a scam. You know, you still find people going to these pyramid schemes. You know, but they know. I mean, forex has been here since the 19 something, man. I don't even know how long. You know, so but then they still prefer, you know, to get rich quick, the schemes and everything like that. So they still look at forex as a scam. You know, and if you look at the way our market, I'd say in South Africa, there's when it comes to trading, it's all about, okay, I made money like this, and even the institutions, man, they're not there to actually grow the people or make people money or to actually build a firm. Like, we don't have Wall Street yet.
Yeah.
You know, we've got the JSE, but that's probably it. You know, JSE and New York Stock Exchange, and still I can't compare the two. You know, but it would be nice to have big institutions here, man, where they do forex or fund management or all the kind of stuff. You know, so at the moment I'd say it's a bit sad because we don't have as much exposure as the rest of the world. If you look at London, you look at New York, hey man, these guys are doing it. If you look, like, even the traders that side, they're doing it big. Because I look at the traders there, I look at guys like Sean Lee, from Astro Forex and all those guys. Those guys are living it. You know, looking at Q Banks and all those. Those guys are actually living the trader's life. That's actually how it's supposed to be. Yeah, you know, I get a nice pie. You know. Okay, it's cool.
Yeah.
You know? But come on, we can go higher than that.
Yeah.
So I'd say we're still at a very, very early stage. You know, I'm proud to see that young people are getting into it, and they should. I don't really recommend an older person getting, because they're going to have to use a computer, you know. But I like the fact that young people are getting into it, meaning that after this, not everybody's going to depend on a degree. You know, you can just get out there and do it.
Yeah.
You know, so we're in the right direction. It's just that it's a bit slow.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
No, that's good to hear. That's really good to hear, guys. So, guys, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. This is All Things Forex with Nqobile Tembane. I was joined today by Thapelo, aka Rich Boy, on Instagram. No, shout out for really coming out, man. I really do appreciate it.
Yeah, thanks for having me, guys. It was really good.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching.